What's up, guys? This is day 44. I've no idea what I'm going to talk about today, so probably just gonna cut the voiceover early. I'll sort of talk about what I did for my workout. Um, so here I'm just warming up with pronation with from a low pulley setup. Um, just grabbing the strap and twisting. Um, So yeah, like when I went a little heavy on these, it started to hurt like I said before, my hand a little bit. It hurt the ridge between my thumb and my index finger. Um, so yeah, I think it was a lot better when I went around the thumb for it with higher weight. So yeah, I mean we'll see. Like I think um, I remember the first time I tried these, I was like, damn, I always thought these were inefficient at actually like isolating the pronation and stuff, but actually it felt really good. Somehow this time it didn't. Like I said before, and 2 days ago I was talking about how I didn't want it to be a whole compound bicep movement. Honestly, I just want to focus on that muscle at the on your lower forearm, and I wasn't really getting that. I think like going by feel too much is probably not very smart. Like I think I think at the end of the day, if I do a lot of pronation exercises and I get you know like progressively more work done, like I'll be stronger for sure, even if I don't feel it while I'm doing it in the gym. Um, but yeah, so I did that, and then basically this is me warming up, and after a while I do I switch, like I said, to the strap around my thumb. Um, and yeah, honestly, like there's not much to the video. Like I just warm up, and um, I do here. I don't know how many reps. I just do it like just based on feeling, just until I get pretty tired, and then I move on to the next weight because it's warming up, and then pretty similar with the higher weight as well. Like working sets, like pretty much go to failure, but not like total failure. Just when it starts to like my forearm starts to break down a little bit. I think that's just how I'm working with it right now. It's a little bit hard to go for a rep range because it's almost like what I'm doing is almost like isometric. Like I'm not really moving at all, so I find it a little weird to do like anything less than, I don't know, like 5 reps. It's like at that point it's so hard, especially like like I think it's I just don't really think I can do it with heavy weight to isolate the pronator. But yeah, and then I do some chopping. I was gonna do rising as well, but I don't. I mean, honestly, I think for now I just really want to focus on the pronation, and yeah, like I didn't have enough time, so just gotta be more targeted with my training, I think, and just honestly just work on one thing at a time as long as I can recover. But yeah, like I did some chopping, and I try to do left and right. Some exercises I skip my left, and like it's like I said before, it's hard to give equal attention to both arms now. It's a little bit annoying. Like on my left, I wasn't able to move the same weight as my right when I was doing the chopping. It was like literally 1 and 2 on the weight stack, so it's not like a big difference. But yeah, I mean that gets annoying, I think, but still it's probably honestly not a bad idea to just do that for a while, because like it's pretty right hand dominated sport, I would say. So it's nice to have two like strong arms, both arms, but you know I don't think there's anything wrong with doing a little bit of pumpkin training, I guess. But yeah, and with the strap around my thumb, I noticed that um, at first I was wrapping it all the way down around the base of my thumb, so it was like had full contact with like my palm and like around the back. Um, but then if I felt like it wasn't giving me enough range of motion and wasn't activating my thumb, so I actually moved it up a little bit to the, like, I shouldn't say base of my thumb, like base of the thumb muscle, like not the actual um, the thumb joint, like below. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, like I basically moved it so I could grab it more with my thumb actually, and then I actually prefer that more. So I'm not sure if that's what you're supposed to do, but yeah, that's one thing that I noticed today. And yeah, honestly, that's it for the video. Um, Thanks for watching, guys.
your key at religion. Practice. That's easier than the private. No, that's yeah, it's easier than asking for practice.